Beauty is power. And much like power, often it must be taken. Taking your beauty into your own hands is empowering. Believing in your own beauty is something no one else can control. That is the real power. L'Oréal Paris has always been on the side of women. In 1909, when cutting your hair short was a social statement. In the 50s, when wearing trousers to work was an act of defiance. Even as recent as the 1970s, seeing women in roles outside the home being powerful or confident was still not mainstream. L'Oréal stood with them for who they were and who they wanted to be. We have always believed in women's worth. We are not a beauty brand. We are a brand that gives power to women, no matter the age or the color of their skin. This is why when we say,
"We're worth it,"
it's not a tagline, it's a brand mission. L'Oréal believes in championing all beauty by pioneering scientific breakthroughs, embracing technology, a dedication to cleaner, safer, sustainable products, and more transparent practices. Yet everything that goes into our products produce a result that you won't find on any of our labels. Confidence. Feminism is not about taking sides. It is about inclusion. It is about opportunities. L'Oréal is working towards a day that when you hear,
"We are worth it,"
the next generation of women will say, "We never doubted it for a moment." L'Oréal Paris.